Freshman Day 2022.
My name is Sanaya Peterson. I am a junior and I'm excited to teach the freshmen all sorts of new things.
My name is Ashley Yannick and I'm excited for a new year, new students, and some new courses.
Vine a la escuela de Woodcross porque está cool.
Hi, my name is Keneal, and I'm excited for the new year and the new school because I had a lot of problems, so I just want to start clean.
Hello. Welcome back. My name is Richard Murphy, and I'm really looking forward this year to this new class of our future navigators. I'm excited about the new minds coming in, and I'm looking to learn from them as much as teach them.
Hi, I'm Levi. I'm excited to meet new people and to be able to have new opportunities